Hey friends! Finding the right trailer tires is crucial for safe towing, preventing blowouts, and ensuring your heavy cargo reaches destinations. In this video, we're taking a look at the best trailer tire in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Custom Rim 2-Pack Bias Ply Trailer Tire. This convenient twin pack is a fantastic choice for those looking for durable, high-performance tires tailored for utility and boat trailers. Each tire is rated for load range C, capable of supporting up to 1,360 pounds, which provides ample muscle for a wide range of standard towing applications. With a 24.4-inch diameter and a maximum pressure rating of 50 psi, these tires are built to remain stable and cool while operating under heavy loads. The deep, aggressive tread design provides superior traction, while the reinforced square shoulders are engineered to increase the contact area with the road for better durability. Interestingly, these bias ply tires feature a modern tread pattern that mimics radial tires, which helps in significantly reducing road noise for a much quieter towing experience. They are DOT approved and built with RoHS compliant, environmentally conscious materials, ensuring your safety and a smaller ecological footprint. Additionally, the included 2-year warranty and free roadside assistance package offer an extra layer of peace of mind for all your upcoming weekend getaways. Next up, our second product, the TransEagle All-Season 10-Ply Trailer Tire. This robust mid-range tire serves as a powerful solution for those who need high-capacity performance without moving up to a commercial-grade 14-ply rating. Rated for load range E and built with a 10-ply construction, it delivers the necessary strength and stiffness to handle significant trailer loads with total confidence. The tire is optimized for highway speeds, offering stable and reliable traction on various road types to ensure your towing remains smooth regardless of changing weather patterns. Even though exact mileage estimates aren't listed, the 10-ply rating essentially guarantees a long-lasting build that is designed to resist the wear and tear of frequent heavy use. It is an ideal choice for trailer owners who want a blend of safety and all-season reliability in a single, high-quality package for their recreational vehicles. By focusing on structural strength, this tire provides a safe and quiet ride, significantly reducing the stress typically associated with hauling medium-sized utility trailers. Coming in at number 3, the 4Runner Load Range E Trailer Tire. These all-season tires are precision-engineered to provide heavy-duty performance and lasting reliability for drivers who spend a lot of time on the open road. Featuring a 10-ply rating and an E-Class load range, they are structurally designed to handle substantial weights while maintaining their shape and performance during long-distance hauls. These tires are primarily built for highway use, offering consistent handling and stable performance across diverse road environments, which is essential for frequent towing duties. While the manufacturer doesn't provide specific treadlife figures, the heavy-duty 10PR construction is specifically designed to resist heat buildup and withstand the pressures of heavy loads. They are a perfect fit for trailer owners who demand dependable traction throughout the year, as they prioritize safety and structural strength above all else. This tire delivers a trustworthy combination of load-bearing power and highway-ready reliability, making it a solid choice for those who need their trailer to track perfectly straight behind their vehicle. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the TransEagle All-Season Load Range G Trailer Tire. This industrial-strength tire is specifically engineered for maximum structural integrity and reliability, making it the perfect match for the most demanding heavy-duty towing tasks. Boasting an impressive 14-ply construction, it is designed to manage extremely high trailer weights, providing a stable foundation for your largest or most fully loaded trailers. When you are out on the highway, these tires deliver consistent and dependable handling across a variety of road surfaces, ensuring a smooth and safe towing experience even on cross-country journeys. While specific treadlife data isn't provided, the reinforced 14-ply design is a strong indicator of exceptional durability and a long lifespan under constant pressure. Furthermore, their all-season tread pattern offers great versatility, allowing for confident performance in both bone-dry and soaking wet weather conditions. This model represents a serious investment for owners who prioritize top-tier load capacity and highway-ready performance for their heavy equipment or livestock haulers. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Transeagle Heavy Duty Load Range G Trailer Tire. These all-season workhorses are meticulously engineered for elite-level towing, offering the kind of strength and reliability that professional haulers depend on daily. With a load range G rating and a reinforced 14 PR construction, they are built to safely support substantial trailer weights, making them perfect for large fifth wheels or fully loaded flatbeds. They are specifically tuned for high-speed highway performance, providing stable handling and consistent grip across a wide array of road conditions for a truly secure journey. The 14-ply design is strategically reinforced to prevent punctures and handle demanding loads over time, suggesting excellent long-term durability for the serious traveler. Their versatile all-season capability adds another layer of safety, performing just as well on rain-slicked asphalt as they do on hot summer roads. For trailer owners who refuse to compromise on safety and strength, these tires offer robust support that maintains vehicle stability during even the most challenging long-distance hauls. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.